In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete comments in a Google Sheets document. If you're cleaning up a spreadsheet, removing outdated feedback, or simply getting rid of a comment thread you no longer need, Google Sheets makes the process very straightforward. I'll walk you through it slowly so it's easy to follow. First, open your Google Sheet. Make sure you're in the spreadsheet where the comment is located. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to find the specific comment you want to remove. This is helpful if your sheet has several notes or active discussions, because you'll want to be sure you're deleting the correct thread. Next, click on the comment you want to delete. When you select it, Google Sheets will show you a preview of that comment thread. This preview gives you a quick look at the conversation so you can confirm that it's the one you actually want to remove. If you're working in a shared document, this is especially useful since deleting a comment thread will remove that discussion for everyone who has access to the sheet. Once the comment preview appears, move your cursor over it and look to the top right corner of the comment box. You'll see a three-dot menu. Click those three dots to open the comment options. This menu gives you actions related to that comment, including the option to delete it. From that menu, click Delete. This tells Google Sheets that you want to remove the comment thread. In many cases, you'll then see a confirmation prompt. This extra step is there to help prevent accidental deletion, which is useful if you clicked the menu by mistake or selected the wrong comment. When the confirmation appears, click Delete again to confirm that you want to delete the entire comment thread. After that, the comment will be removed from the sheet. A quick tip before you do this: deleting a comment thread is different from simply resolving it. Deleting removes the thread, while resolving is often used when the conversation is complete, but you still want a record of it in the comment history. So if you might need that discussion later, take a second to consider whether delete is the best option. And that's it. Open your Google Sheet, click the comment, use the three-dot menu, choose delete, and then confirm the deletion. It only takes a few seconds once you know where to look. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you manage comments more confidently in Google Sheets.